Hey guys, Bruce Milligan from CellPro here doing a screen replacement on a Google Pixel 6. First thing you want to do is heat up the screen and ensure that it's getting hot to the touch. You want to use approximately 200 degrees Celsius, and then you want to get underneath it with a razor blade like so. Once you've got the razor blade in there and you have enough room, you want to start using a guitar pick. You want to work the guitar pick all around the edges. Don't forget to heat up the edges as you go. Once you've worked around the edges, the screen will be loose. You want to make sure that you can remove it like this and open it up like that. And as you can see, there's one little screw in there that's keeping it in place, and you want to undo that screw. So as you can see, there's the screw here. You want to undo this screw like so. Take that off. Also, note that there is this fingerprint sensor. You want to get that off carefully, and you want to place it on the new one here and connect it there. Alright, so you want to apply some heat to this home button to allow it to come off easily, as well as this upper gasket here. We want to apply some heat there too to get that to come off. Alright, so fingerprint sensor is on the new screen. Testing the new screen before permanent installation. Now we're going to take some B7000 glue and put it all around the edges. As you can see, I've put consistent little dabs of glue all around the edge. Alright, so we've got it in place. We've got the little screw that holds the ribbon cable back in place. The screen's working fine. It does have some glue around the edges. And what we're going to do now is we are going to clamp it with these. Alright, so now that it's all clamped, we let it sit here for about 24 hours and call up the customer tomorrow and tell them their phone's ready, and we'll clean up around these edges with this little silicone adhesive as well. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Hopefully this helped you out. If you need any additional assistance, feel free to message me, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye-bye.